Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome Developer Tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable dark mode in Google Chrome Developer Tools, start by launching Google Chrome on your computer. Open any web page to access the developer tools. You can open developer tools by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect, or by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Command+Op. Once the Developer Tools panel is open, locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the panel. Click on these dots to access a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, choose More Tools. Then select Rendering from the submenu, which will open a new panel inside Developer Tools. In the Rendering panel, look for the Emulate CSS Media Type section. Here, you'll find a field labeled Media. In this field, type dark to specify that you want to enable dark mode. After entering dark, click anywhere outside of the input field to apply the change. You should immediately see the Developer Tools interface switch to dark mode. If you want to ensure that the dark mode remains enabled, you can create a custom theme in Chrome. To do this, go to the Chrome settings by clicking on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the main browser. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on Appearance. Under the Theme section, choose Dark to apply the dark mode across Chrome. Now, return to the Developer Tools to see the dark mode interface in action. You have successfully enabled dark mode in Google Chrome Developer Tools. This mode enhances visibility and reduces eye strain, especially in low-light environments. Enjoy your coding and debugging experience with a sleek, dark interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.